Hi, my name is Olivier from Activity Messenger, and in this video, we're going to learn how to create a form with Canva and an app called Activity Messenger to make it a fillable form with your Canva designs. So first, you're going to find what kind of sample or what kind of form you want to do. Is it a registration form? Is it an evaluation form? Is it an employee? Medical forms, waivers, digital signatures. You maybe do ticket sales, trial class, party booking. There could be like camp registration, end of session surveys. So there's a bunch of different options that you can pick from in terms of creating a form with Canva. So let's just say I'm going to use a ticket sale example here. I click on create. And then it just brings me to the form builder where I can actually make the modifications and integrate my Canva designs. So if I click on this design here and I click on edit, I have a Canva integration right here, and I could simply edit in Canva. It's going to open up my Canva account, and then you can go and make modifications with your own personal Canva paid or free account. And all you have to do is click on save, and it's going to bring back that design into the form, which you can then drag and drop and place wherever you wish. From there, you're going to want to ask questions, right? It's an interactive form. So maybe they're purchasing a ticket, like in this example, you can go and edit and change that ticket. For this example, I think put the schedule, the location of the different ticket dates. So let's say this one's in the past. So I can actually say, okay, actually, I want this to be October 21st, right? Click on save and then click on save. A bunch of other options, but then you have again the drag and drop where you can add more information. So you can add I read and accept box, a digital signature, obviously the person's name. And then if I click on the plus, I have 90 more options to actually choose from, right? So I can be using a rating for a survey. It could be a checkbox grid, right? For another surveyor to collect more information. I might want people to upload, a PDF or a video, or again, electronic signature or different acceptance. There, encrypted data. You can ask for start date, times, check-in, check-out for employees, weekly availability. In your content, you'll always have the image option there. We also have question filters, conditional branching, page breaks, text blocks. And when you move to e-commerce, you can sell, event ticket, classes, products, fundraising. There's a bunch of memberships, a bunch of different options to choose from. Basic yes, no answers as well. So you just kind of build it out. So let's say I want to have a drop down here. I could call, the drop down what I would want. So let's say location, right? And then I could then bring in here and add other options, right? So option 3, let's say. And you always get a preview here, and this will give you all the information on the back end. So you add that question, and then when people fill out the form, you'll have full analytics, full details for you to analyze the results. From there, you can also share the form. So every form has a QR code, a single link. You can embed it on your website, or you can also send the form, right? So if I say share and I go to send the form, I can actually send this form, and Activity Messenger has full email and SMS capabilities. So you can send it by SMS and email only or SMS. You can change the text. Again, this email can be designed with Canva as well. And then it'll open up a link. Once they click this link, it'll open up the form that you want them to complete. So let me know if this makes sense. There's a bunch of other features. If you have any questions, you can visit activitymessenger.com.